Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. OpenAI just announced its shiny new O3 model, an upgrade so smart it could probably write the next chapter of Game of Thrones.
Dracarys.
But here's the twist. You can't use it yet. Think of it as getting a glimpse of a chef's masterpiece souffle, but it's still baking, and nobody knows when it'll be ready.
What? But you can't do this to me.
It's perfect for AI fans who love suspense. Kind of like waiting for your favorite band's new album, only for them to drop a remix of old hits instead. Tetsuwan Scientific is developing AI-powered robotic scientists capable of independently conducting experiments.
Wow!
These autonomous lab assistants aim to accelerate research by automating routine tasks, allowing human scientists to focus on innovation. It's like having a tireless lab partner who doesn't hog the coffee machine.
Bummer, man. I guess it's broken.
This Christmas, these AI scientists can stay in the lab while we stay by the fire. Finally, someone to analyze whether eggnog really counts as a protein shake. Acarai, a Swedish startup, is developing a non-invasive heart monitor that estimates intracardiac pressure through the chest, potentially transforming heart failure diagnostics. Their handheld device uses seismic, acoustic, visual, and ECG sensors to provide real-time data, aiming to replace invasive procedures like catheterization.
Sounds an excellent idea.
With this tech, your heart can stay as strong as your New Year's fitness goals. Well, the ones you actually stick to. Google's latest quantum computing breakthrough is making waves, and maybe a few Bitcoin investors sweat. Their new quantum chip, Willow, performs calculations in minutes that would take classical supercomputers ages.
This is amazing.
I know.
This raises questions about Bitcoin's security, as quantum computers could theoretically break the cryptographic codes that protect it. But don't panic just yet. Experts say a quantum-powered Bitcoin apocalypse isn't happening tomorrow.
Oh my God.
Imagine Bitcoin is running a marathon and Google just flew past on a jetpack yelling, "See you at the finish line." Tesla's Supercharger network is opening its high-speed charging doors to more electric vehicle brands, including GM, Ford, and Rivian. This move aims to reduce range anxiety and promote EV adoption. It's like Tesla throwing a party and finally inviting the neighbors. Just don't be the one who parks too long at the charger.
Well, what's taking so long?
Tesla's chargers are like the champagne of EV stations. Now everyone's invited to toast, as long as they're not blocking the plug too long. Lilium, the German electric air taxi startup, has ceased operations after failing to secure necessary funding.
Boo.
Despite raising over $1 billion and planning to deliver its first aircraft by 2026, the company filed for insolvency following unsuccessful attempts to obtain a $50 million loan from the German government.
That is a lot of money. Wait, is this a joke?
It's like Lilium built a spaceship but ran out of fuel on the launch pad, grounded before it could even leave the Earth. Digital health stocks took a beating this year, with many companies feeling the squeeze. However, Hims and Hers Health defied the trend, seeing its stock surge. Their focus on accessible telehealth services seems to have struck a chord with investors, proving that sometimes a personal touch, even if it's virtual, can go a long way.
That's true.
It's like the entire digital health sector caught a cold, but Hims and Hers showed up with the virtual chicken soup. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.